See, standard unit of area. Unit of area is unit square, right? If sides are given to us in meter, then area will be meter square, right? If sides are given to us in centimeter, then area will be in centimeter squares, right? It means the standard unit of area is unit square, means whatever the unit we are having for the sides, that same square, right? Same unit, square of same unit, right? Now next is how we determine area of a figure by counting the squares. By counting the squares, there can be the two cases. First of all, you need to draw that on the squared paper, then count the number of squares enclosed by the figure. Then after we can find out the area of that given figure. Now there can be two possibilities, two cases can be there. First case is when squares are completely enclosed, means when any object covers the full, all the squares, full area, all the squares of this square paper, right? First case is that one case when squares are completely enclosed. Second case is when the number of square enclosed by the figure is fractional number, means partially enclosed. Partially enclosed means suppose we are having object of this type, like this one, this, right? Like this, again down, then upward, then up, up. Suppose we are having an object in this way, right? Suppose we are having an object in this way. In this, we are not taking all the squares completely. Some squares are taken completely, but in some squares we are taking some part only, half part or some part, you may say, in that way. So in that cases, there are two cases. So in that cases, there is different way to find out the area.